Hello, good morning. Today we're going to talk about Kubernetes and we're going to deploy a Skaffold application, Java Spring Boot application using a Skaffold for maximizing our deployment stuff. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come in here. Here's my product, okay? So I have my YAML files, etc., all those Maven files. So what I can do right now, I'm going to show the Skaffold YAML. So I'm going to strictly to the project. Okay, well, just 1 second. Let's see here. So this is my project. Here's all the all the YAMLs I should deploy. And here's my scaffold one. So this points to all the containers and images and everything should deploy. Okay, so every one of it is basically pointing to a project here itself. So I'm going to do right now, I'm going to compile the project. So just one thing, just let me find it. KHS. Let's compile that before. We can install or package it. For me, it's the same. And suddenly, we are going to run the scaffold stuff. I'm gonna leave on this page. Let me just remove all of it. Let's create all the packages. Let's wait to finish the build. Come on, let's go faster. 5 of 9. Okay, perfect. So now scaffold is running. I wonder you can see everything. So it's checking all the images that we have. In that case of the YAML one, I'm gonna show again. You cannot define a tag version. It's going to create on the fly for you. I'm leaving on workloads. As you can see, I just have deployed Kafka, Zookeeper, and MySQL. You're gonna see all the projects being deployed with just one file. You don't need to apply every single YAML you have on your project. Okay. Also, in that project too, I do have here, for example, installing MongoDB, for example, creating a secret, creating a deployment and ingress file for the gateway. In the case, just creating a Mongo, a secret, a kubectl secret. Building, 7 workloads. Just created, this is another thing. Every single YAML has been deployed, which I just made, here we go. Just created all the services we need. Admin, department, gateway, every single thing, just to use the scaffold. So it's not easy to see what's here because of the color. I should have run it on the bash. But in the case everything with deployment of the file, you just automated everything. For example, let's be back to the all those files here, deployments file, are configured into Skaffold. Here we go. And everything you need as artifact as building, it's over the build artifacts. Pretty simple to run that deploying that on the Kubernetes using Skaffold. So that's how simple it is to use this Skaffold with like Docker images and Kubernetes. I'm gonna leave the GitHub project on the comments on the description of the video, so you can double check that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.